jail. He's staring at the night sky with his mind down there, and he stalks straight back to, yeah, the old that he knew, and that's why he's here. And the lie's not true anymore. The price of freedom is the end of us all. Oh, one forlorn feeling of a song unsung, the falling out of an entire space, the cost